free replacement cups. If your cups come up short for any reason, we'll supplant them at no expense to you. Truth told, we'll supplant any bombed hand siphon, augmentation tube and conveying case as well. Item enrollment required. We utilize great, tough PC plastic. PC equals polycarbonate, so it's exceptionally impossible your cup will break. However, we have you secured notwithstanding. Educate yourself. Be an order of your cups. Become familiar with the upsides and downsides of measuring with our selective measuring treatment booklet. Great guidelines clarify why, not exactly how to utilize the item. Professional grade. Whether you are an advisor, a clinician or a do-it-yourselfer, this set will overflow demonstrable skill. From the hard defensive case, to the multi-measured cups, to the double hand pumps, you can certain that your measuring set will take care of business impeccably. Multiple health benefits. Encourage legitimate bloodstream and lymphatic seepage, ease torment, expel stagnation and pull out poisons from your delicate tissue. This will diminishes pulse, decrease muscle strain, more beneficial skin and improved muscle recuperation. Measuring treatment sets can even utilize as a cellulite massager. What you get in your cupping therapy set: 18 multi-sized measuring cups, 2 hand siphons, an expansion tube, a hard-sided plastic convey case, 12 removable magnets for attractive treatment, a definite guidance booklet in English. Furthermore, US-based client care from Myofacial releaser.